hadn't noticed, this episode is all about the food of Lyon. So let's get going. For some reason in Mexico, we ate a lot of ice cream. That's probably because it was so good. And ice cream trucks in Mexico tend to be slightly different.
Show me your soul. Baby, I'll show you mine.
He is either very proud or laughing at this white guy with a camera. I tend to think he's very proud, and deservedly so, at his ingenious design. Speaking of ice cream, we made a stop at La Rafa, where they still make ice cream the traditional way, by hand churning it. But you need to get there early enough before the church across the street lets out, or you're never getting any.
Oh, I'm standing right here holding up a sign.
It comes in a number of different flavors, and I of course got my favorite, mezcal. And it was good. We also gave these a try, which is basically fruit smothered in orange juice and lemon juice, and chili, of course, except topped with shredded cheese. It sounds weird, but it was really good.
Show you mine.
But now it was time for some Argentinian style pizza. La Casa del Hambre has an all-you-can-eat happy hour and gets 2 thumbs up from us. I also tried the coconut mezcal. Let me tell you, that one went fast. Now Jess and I are learning Arabic, and we wanted to stop at this restaurant here, but they were closed on the day that we went, and we couldn't get back in time. So on to our next food excursion, where they sell basket tacos.
Boy, I'm thinking about taking this banner down. If you don't take notice and come around. If you walk right past me one more time like you don't see.
You basically order the amount of tacos you want, you put the toppings on yourself, and you have at it. And they seem to even do a little magic trick for you. Now you see them, now you don't. So what is it?
It's a candy. They're called dragoncitos, little dragons, and it has like chili on them. They kind of remind me of when I was a kid. So I'm gonna open it up.
Primero una. Esta primero, Tómele para adentro porque va a empezar a subir. Está bastante fresca. Ya con eso, ya no es para darle un buen sabor y luego ya descansa, hace el eructo y dice, qué rica, qué fresca. ¿Ya la preparo ya?
You ready?
Okay.
A ver, vamos a ver.
Hurry.
Sacando la cuchara le tomas un
As soon as he takes out the spoon, drink it. Just like halfway, just so the doesn't. Okay, you're good. Now stop, and it's gonna make you burp because it helps with the digestion.
15, 5. Muy amable, gracias. ¿Quiere una?
Ooh, I did.
Gracias.
Sí, ¿cómo no? ¿Verdad, chica?
Sí, chica. You feel it working?
Mediano.
¿Mediano? Muy bien.
It's
Perdón. Gracias. That wasn't bad.
and it's nice and fresh. So this also helps when you had too much grease, like fried foods, a lot of carbs. It helps with the digestion. It helps you
Yeah, I could still feel it working, and my time was coming. There it goes.
Fue la bebida
Excuse me.
que se tomó. So
I knew it was coming. And with my digestion all cleared, it was time for some empanadas.
Sometimes it burns, sometimes it hurts. When you say my name,
there's shrimp, there's Hawaiian, the Cuban,
What's in Hawaiian?
la hawaiana, ¿qué es lo que tiene dentro?
Tengo hawaiana especial sencilla con pepperoni, la hawaiana sencilla lleva jamón, piña, salsa para pizza y quesadero y con pepperoni sin agregar pepperoni. Tengo especial, tengo para la mesa.
So it's like a Hawaiian pizza.
I'll try it.
Okay, the Hawaiian.
La hawaiana especial está muy buena, agarra todo sabor con tocino y jalapeño.
Oh, it has jalapenos in it.
That's fine.
Okay.
for me to show you're hiding to breathe, running from me. Do you really wanna be in love?
And if you don't know what they are, empanadas are basically just a better form of Hot Pockets.
Halfway from home, I picked up my phone.
So this is really spicy.
Okay.
So you only give me a little bit. So this one is rajas con queso, which is shredded poblano chili and cheese. And this is an empanada that they're made here in Leon. And this is chimichurri sauce, and it's super spicy.
'Cause I don't know what you're looking for. Oh, and I don't know what to do. Hold back, let go. There is nothing more for me to show. You're hiding to breathe, running from me. Do you really wanna be? Oh, baby.
And I'm always on the lookout for my sweet cheese bread.
Need me, that you can stand it no more. That she ain't what
And hey, what do you know? More ice cream.
oh, baby. Oh, tell me you love me. You know it took two to break us down. Now you're gone and won't be found. 'Cause I don't.
So what kind did you get?
Can you tell? Watermelon.
Did
What do
you
you-
record that?
Yeah. No, I didn't. What are you eating?
Strawberry ice cream. Can't you tell?
It's all over your face.
What did you just buy?
I bought little gorditas de trigo. They look like this. It's just wheat and probably sugar. I'm not really sure what all the ingredients is.
like sugar and maybe some cinnamon in there.
I don't know if there's cinnamon, but they're cooked on a comal that's made out of mud. and that's it. And there's only like 2 or 3 ingredients on here. But
How's
it
it taste?
reminds me of my aunt Odulia. She used to make these when we were little. It tastes amazing. It's chewy. It's like a little bit hollow from the inside.
So we finish this episode saying one thing. There's 2 types of food in Lyon. Homemade and restaurant. And they're very similar to each other. And whatever the case, your plate always ends up looking like this. Until next episode, thank you so much for watching. Give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and leave a comment. Let us know how we're doing. Until next time, thank you.